Welcome back, guys, into this new video to Express. We're going to show you how to get started with the in this case the referral code that almost anybody wanted to find out here. So first of all, wanted to earn extra credit into GCash using the sharing application you already use. Basically, this is why you need the actual referral code. So every time a friend signs up and gets verified using your linked or code, you both get an actual reward. So let's find out the unique code hidden. So basically here what I need to do is to first of all navigate to the rewards menu. So if you open your GCash application, you want to enter the GM or you might be calling the GM PIM, something like that. So basically what I'm going to be doing here is to show you just a few examples of how it actually looks the own application, because basically GCash is an actual application. Not by first entering your mobile number, which is available for all the networks. So by typing next, we're connected to the mobile number network to verify a one-time passcode, and you're actually good to go. So this is only available for the Philippines. When you are now directly signing in, you might be looking for something like this. This is the actual application that you might be finding directly here into the GCash. Once we are directly in here, you want to focus into the right section that says your own profile. Right, so make sure that when you have the GCash, you have a few products already been active in order to continue. So we are into the main dashboard. You look for the bottom right corner to tap to the profile action. So here into this profile, you want to scroll until you find the element that says refer friends. So here is going to be really important to make sure that it's going to be appearing right away. Now that we have found directly the referral code, you might see here it's going to be appearing here the refer friends. So copying and sharing your code, just click into the center, you'll see your unique referral code. This is usually a mix of letters and numbers. You can share a QR code, but I strongly suggest you to have an actually specific link. So you can type the copy button to paste it into the text messages, or hit the share to send directly to be a messenger. You can do this into the Viber, you can do this into WhatsApp, you can do whatever. So really important thing, guys, to consider is that for the reward to kick in, your friend must complete the fully verified process and make the first transaction. Just simply signing up isn't enough to trigger the bonus. It needs to do everything that the referral friends to add the rewards. So get PHP 50 word for freebies when your friend registers, get fully verified, and completes their first cash in. So your friend needs to first make the registration, then get the full verified, and after that complete the first cash in. So after these three elements has now been correctly done, your friend can confirm that it has been done, and both are going to be earning a few freebies right away. So start sharing and start earning here directly with these great elements of GCash. So you can let me know, is this video help you? If you don't, you can always focus directly here into GCash. Look out for the option that says the help support. They can be helping you to solve the issue just in case you didn't see your referral code or your account is not working properly. So hopefully this was a very useful information, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully I can see you guys next time.